A lot of people ask me, Suzelle, got any tips for passing exams, homework, maths, science? I have found an amazing solution, and it is called paper video. What is paper video? It is an app inside your phone or on your computer, and basically it's the answer to your dreams. And today we have one of the inventors of the app here, so click it. Hello, Paul.
Hi, Suzelle.
He's a scientist.
Actually, I'm a maths teacher.
Paul, tell me about this paper video. Teach me.
With paper video, we turn your phone or your computer into an extra teacher that you can use anytime, any place.
So it's like a genie in a bottle. With paper video, all you have to do is click, watch, and learn.